So, I finally managed to finish my studies, and right now I am managed to find the time also to uh, dedicate my free time to what I love the most, what I love developing the most, which is real-time operating systems in embedded development with ideas taken from the military field. So, for today we have a self-correcting aiming system, very similar to what we have on fighter jets, on F-16, F-18. The system is very simple. It is going to counteract the change of direction of the airplane. That means that if the plane is going up, the system self-corrects aiming down. If the plane is pointing downwards, the system self-corrects aiming upwards. If the plane is veering, is turning, the system self-corrects. In this case, for example, we are veering towards the right, and as you can see, the aiming system also banks, and as a matter of fact you can see the rolling value, and the same goes in the other direction. I realized this aiming system by reading the data from directly from the gyroscope mounted on this board, and I also output in degrees the pitch and roll values. As you can see, for example, right now the board is inclined upwards for about 20 degrees, and right now I'm rolling towards the left by 10 degrees, and you can see this is exactly 10 degrees, this is exactly 10 degrees, this angle. What did I use to develop this project? Well, a couple of evenings and an Arduino R1 Wifiz plus a GIGA display shield. I use heavily Arduino for prototyping because I think it's the best system to fast transforming an idea from concept to an embedded reality. Of course, the journey is not finished here. The idea is then once I developed something that I like, maybe a more complete system where I use also another board to generate interference, flight data, and whatever. I will then flash directly a real-time operating system, a proper real-time operating system such as Zephyr or FreeRTOS from Amazon, and yeah, I can flash it directly on this Cortex M7. Right now I'm only using the Cortex M7, but I will be able also. This board this board also has a Cortex M4 on it, and I will for sure make good use of it. And that's it. This is the result of a couple of evenings of work and dedication. Finally, actually, I really graduated. Today is Tuesday. I discussed my thesis on Friday. So yeah, well, I took the weekend. This is the board that I'm using, by the way. But you can do this on pretty much any board. I have also other what's the name? Other test boards. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. Oh, and a little bit of Gemini just to convert a couple of mathematical functions to display the data correctly. Yeah, this is it. Stay tuned for the developments. Thank you. Have a nice evening.